Hello, English speakers. Welcome back to the Listen and Answer Speaking series. We are here to help you speak English faster and more confidently. This is round 2, and we are continuing our practice with more quick and simple questions. Your job is to read the answer aloud, quickly and clearly. If you find this technique useful and want to speak English every day, please subscribe now and hit the like button. Ready? Let's begin. What day is today? What did you drink with breakfast? Are you busy right now? Do you have a passport? What time will you finish your work? Did you go to a restaurant this week? How do you relax after work? Is your apartment close to a park? What is your favorite type of movie? Do you like wearing hats? Are you going to travel next month? What did you wear yesterday? Is it raining outside now? What time do you eat dinner? Do you prefer reading paper books or ebooks? Can you remember your first English teacher? What color is your favorite jacket? Did you clean your room today? What is something you like to collect? Will you go shopping tomorrow? Do you know a joke in English? What did you learn this week? Is your phone battery fully charged? How long have you been learning English? What is the first thing you do when you wake up? Do you enjoy cooking breakfast? What is your goal for this year? Did you take any photos yesterday? Do you have any plans for the summer? What kind of gifts do you like to give? Are you good at drawing? What time will you go to the gym? How often do you call your best friend? Did you have a good day yesterday? What is your shoe size? Do you have a lot of clothes? Is your hometown very quiet? Did you walk outside today? Do you have a favorite coffee shop? What will you do if it rains tomorrow? Do you prefer big cities or small towns? What is your biggest challenge right now? Did you feel stressed this week? Do you use cash or credit card? What is something you need help with? Did you travel by plane recently? What kind of music is popular in your country? Are you tired today? What time will you start studying? Do you know how to play chess? What did you have for lunch today? What is one thing you can do very well? What is the last country you visited? What color is your bedroom wall? Did you take a shower this morning? What is your favorite social media app? Do you have a lot of friends? What are you going to do this weekend? What is the most common job in your city? What is your favorite thing about your home? Do you have a favorite number between 1 and 10? What is a vegetable you dislike? Are you planning to watch the news today? Did you exercise yesterday? What is one good thing about learning English online? What kind of shoes do you wear most often? What did you drink the last time you were thirsty? Is it easy to find a job in your field? What is the best part of your day? Do you want to buy a new phone soon? What is a goal you achieved last year? How many books do you read each month? What is one simple thing that makes your life better? You successfully read and repeated many model answers, giving your fluency a great workout today. If you feel more confident about your speaking, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Remember to check the dedicated playlist for the next episode with new questions. Thank you for watching and keep speaking English. See you next time.